In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simplest way to apply for a job on onlinejobs.ph. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and as you'll see, it's fast and easy to follow. Let's start. First things first, open your favorite web browser and type in onlinejobs.ph. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll notice a login button. If you're already a member, click on it and enter your details. But if you're new to the platform, don't worry. Setting up an account is a breeze. Simply click register. Make sure to select the option for job seeker. From there, it's just a matter of filling in your basic details like your name, email address, and other essential information. Once completed, you're all set to create your account. Now that you're logged in, head over to My Profile to fill out more detailed information. This part is crucial because it forms the first impression potential employers will have of you. Make sure your profile is complete by uploading a professional-looking photo and providing comprehensive details about your skills and work experience. Trust me, taking the time to polish up your profile can make all the difference in catching the eye of employers. Once your profile is up to speed, it's time to dive into the job market. Navigate to find jobs or job search. You'll see this option prominently displayed on the site. Here you can enter keywords for the type of job you're looking for. Let's say you're interested in becoming a virtual assistant. Just type that into the search bar. As soon as you spot a job post that piques your interest, go ahead and give it a click for more details. If everything looks good, you're ready for the next step, applying. Simply click the apply button you'll find on the job post page. A new window will appear, prompting you to type a message to the employer. This is your chance to shine, so take a moment to craft a concise yet compelling introduction. Highlight why you'd be a great fit for the role. You'll also need to decide how many apply points you want to use, which can boost your application's visibility. Once you're happy with your message and have set your apply points, just click submit. And voila, you have successfully applied for a job. Now, all you need to do is wait for the employer to reach out to you. And that's it. Super simple, right? If you want more beginner-friendly tutorials like this, make sure to follow, like, and watch our next video. See you on the next guide, the